Hello, traders. Today is Friday, June 20th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar yen. So we're on the 1 hour time frame here. We definitely did have a break of structure to the downside last night in the Asian session, so we potentially have the end of this move up right here. Now, is that the end of this whole move? We definitely do not know that. I think it is potentially a wave C, so if we do get the end of this whole move up, then it definitely would be a trend reversal. So if you are trading the one below the 1 hour time frame, I would definitely be recommending shorts. And while you're looking for shorts, if it goes down and breaks this low right here, that's to confirm the end of a wave C. And if it's the end of a wave C, it potentially would go down and continue the higher time frame downtrend, meaning going down and making new lows again. Definitely keep an eye on your Fibonacci retracement level for areas of support, especially if you see some sort of like a very clear three-way pullback and a nice impulsive move up. If you do see some sort of a three-way pullback and possibly move up at a Fibonacci level, just be aware that it could possibly make another wave up. So as always, if you're paying attention to your structure, paying attention to your Fibonacci levels, you should be trading in the right direction. So anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord group. It's linked over here in the corner. Check out my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.